Held without bail, the man accused of killing an East Greenwich woman 3 years ago remains behind bars tonight.
His days-long bail hearing came to an unusual close. NBC 10's Erin Coogan was in the courtroom. She's live with these new details tonight. Erin?
Yeah, well, guys, after first requesting the bail hearing and then sitting through 3.5 days worth of testimony from the prosecution, in a somewhat surprising move, Perkins' team today deciding not to present an argument as to why bail should be granted, instead deciding to rest their case for the time being.
A nearly weeks-long bail hearing comes to an abrupt end.
Is there anything else at this time?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Very well.
Defense attorneys for 64-year-old Mark Perkins, the man accused of killing Charlotte Lester in 2022, deciding not to present an argument as to why their client should be allowed bail. The decision making for a quick day in court. It's a stark contrast from the several days worth of testimony brought forward by the prosecution.
So more likely than not, the strategy behind this was, let's get as much information as we can. We know he's going to be held anyway. We can gather this information, we can look at it, we can test it, we can see how good it is, so that at time of trial, we can really cross-examine these people in a good way.
Over the past week, detectives, eyewitnesses, and forensic experts have taken to the stand to paint the picture of Lester's murder and detail Perkins' involvement.
Based upon all of those findings, were you able to form an opinion to a reasonable degree of medical certainty as to who saw that?
Yes.
And what's that doctor?
Charlotte Lester.
The strategy of extracting information from a bail hearing not commonly used by most defense attorneys.
It really should be used more, to be quite honest, because it's a good tool for defense attorneys to get information and lock in witnesses.
However, as legal analyst Mark Dana assures, the prosecution will still have much up their sleeves for when or if the case heads to trial.
I would say, as a former prosecutor, I never laid everything on the table at a bail hearing. I just gave enough to show the court that there is a presumption of guilt.
Again, as of now, Perkins will continue being held without bail. The case will now move to a grand jury for a decision on indictment. Live in studio, Erin Coogan, NBC 10 News.